Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what if we need to split the data that are present in column C. For example, we have a name of a person and the date of birth. And we need it should be written in different columns: name, surname and date. Now I'm working in Google Sheets, so for splitting the data I have to select the column by pressing Ctrl+Shift down arrow. After that, going to Data tab, choosing Split Text to Columns. After that, choose the separator. In our case it is going to be space. Click on space and all our data were splitted. Okay. The second feature is what if we have different project IDs and we need to calculate its duration. We have start date, end date, and we require to calculate duration in days. For this we have to use dated if function. Let's type here dated if. After that we have to choose the first option, this is start date. Second option, end date, and we have to point what format we require. We need it days, so let's type here D, close parenthesis, press enter. Now we have all days that are needed for us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave your comments below. Till the next video, bye bye.